Since 1925, the Weldwood brand has been known for its reliability by woodworkers, carpenters, and DIYers. That heritage continues with the introduction of Weldwood Professional Wood Glue. This fast-setting formula provides a durable, stronger-than-wood bond. Once cured, it can easily be sanded, painted, and stained. Its superior stainability provides users with a cleaner, more aesthetically pleasing finish. And Weldwood Pro's cross-linking PVA formula creates a water-resistant bond, ideal for interior and exterior applications. It is also compliant with FDA regulation for indirect food contact. Great for woodworking projects for the kitchen. For a strong, durable bond that provides a timeless finish. DAP Weldwood Professional Wood Glue, a bond that stands the test of time.